This is the timing cover to the 383. They almost never got paint here because the water pump housing was on when they painted the engine, so they almost always rust up and stuff. This was a pretty good shape, but we're gonna leave it all patinaed, and I'm just gonna throw some clear over it so that it doesn't rust any more than the surface rust that's there now. Just checking the low deck push rods, make sure that we don't have any bent, because if you've got small problems now, they're going to turn into big problems later. I think most people know this already, but in case you don't, when you're bolting on a cylinder head, you always start in the middle and work your way out. And I don't go straight to the full foot-pounds. It's supposed to be 70 foot-pounds, just to get everything kind of cinched down evenly before you start putting a ton of torque, because you know the head's loose. You put 70 foot-pounds here, by the time you get out here and put 70 foot-pounds and this guy's loose, it's no longer 70 foot-pounds. So I just come in, I start it with 55 foot-pounds, and then I'll up it to like 65, and then go up to 70. After I torque it all down, I go through the head bolts in a row just to make sure I didn't miss one. All right, I bought these because I couldn't stop myself. I got them for, I think, a decent price. I'm not going to put them on this engine, but I am going to put the same kind of valve covers on this engine. I bought these red ones, which are pretty cool. They're the anodized Moroso old school valve covers. Maybe just look bitchin'. The car is kind of a tan color, so I think the gold versions of these will go along with the car a lot better than these red ones. And I did buy a set of gold ones, and I think they're being shipped today. So should see them in a few days. But for now, we can pretend, right? Yeah. God, I love those things, man. Old school, vintage, Morosos. See? But for this engine, they're going to be gold, because they'll go with the car a lot better than the reds. I can't wait to get the intake manifold on and start making it look more like a complete engine. And it's really going to pop. Well, pop in a, you know, kind of patinaed, worn down kind of way, you know? Like it was a built motor in the past and somebody hot rodded it, and now it's going into our crappy grocery getter grandma's car.